Hey everyone, today we're doing something different. I'm going to take you to visit Korea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fresh Roll Kitchen. Here today is going to be all about Korean culture. So I feel like dressing up a little like a Korean girl. I'm going to make my favorite Korean side dish, which is called kimchi. Funny story, one of my cousins is named Kimchi and he's not Korean. So kimchi is basically fermented vegetable. Today we're going to make with soy sauce and it's going to be delicious and you won't even know it if it's a vegan kimchi or a traditional kimchi. And now let's begin. First, we have 1 head of the Napa cabbage. Okay, so we're going to cut 1 inch each pieces. Now I'm doing something different here. This recipe, if you found the other kimchi recipes on YouTube, they're probably going to use that whole leaf, like each pieces, and they wrap all the ingredients that with the ginger and the spices all on each leaves, and they skip this part. But when I have my kimchi and when I want it to be ready to eat, looking for some side dish with my either fried rice or with some stir fry or some soup. And if I want some kimchi, I know that it's already ready in smaller pieces. I don't have to cut it. I don't have to dirty all the other utensils. So this will save me a lot of time. So we're going to wash this, very important. The second ingredient that we have is the carrot. So this will make it very bright, vibrant color. It'll add some flavors in that too. So I love to put some carrots in that. If you don't have carrots, you can leave it. That's fine. No big deal. Now you see this one unique peeler. This is the shredder actually, and I find this at the Asian store as well. I think this is about $10. So if you don't have that, you can use the regular knife and you just slice it thinly. So this is a good, really great tool to have in your kitchen. And now just going, you know what, I'm going to do shorter pieces because let me see, there you go. And you know, my mom, she would always tell me that when I was little, every time people ask me what I'm going to cook when I grow up, when I get married, and when I have a husband, what will I make for supper or for dinner? And I would always say, I'll make pickles. I'll go to the store and buy pickles, or I'll make my own pickles. And that was my answer. That has always been my answer. And it's so funny because I love pickles. And then when I discovered kimchi, I was like, this was meant for me. Now, moving on with the ginger. I love extra ginger in my kimchi. The ginger will bring fresher taste to the kimchi. This ginger I got from the supermarket last week, so the end of this is a little dried up. You can use it as fine, it's fine, but I'm just going to cut it off a little. And then I'm going to cut up into smaller pieces. When you put ginger in the kimchi, you do not have to peel out the brown peel outside. Put everything. Just make sure you rinse, and then you put everything in this food chopper or food processor. So this, we pause this. I'm going to get some garlic. Be a little aggressive here with the garlic cloves. Going to add some sugar, some salt, and some soy sauce, and chili flakes. Right, we are almost to the finish line. Just getting all the mix in, and I'm happy with the color also, and you can actually taste it too. It's okay to taste, because if you think if you need more spicy, you can add more chili flakes at this time, but I'm happy with right now. Very last step of making kimchi is you have this fully drained out of the water. So I'm going to start with a tiny, just one small handful first, and then I'm going to take a little bit here. Don't forget your scallions. This is great too with the kimchi because it will add a different color to it. And then add your carrots. Okay. So here, I just got a splash of that mix on my lips. And it already tastes so good. Okay, we are done. Now I'm going to transfer all of this into this smaller glass bowl. You can use the mason jar if you want to. Last time I made kimchi, I put mine in the mason jar, and this time I'm just, I found this bowl. That was the first item I found in my cabinet, so I'm going with that, and it fits. Look at that, it fits perfectly into this bowl. Remember how huge it looked earlier? And now that's the cabbage is all wilted, and they're so nice, and they look so great. And you want to make sure you get all that mix in the bottom of the bowl here. Okay. Make sure you get all this good stuff. Is over. We're going to finish coloring this. Okay. All right. You can find the warmest temperature in your home, in your kitchen. And in this case, I'm going to put this in my oven. And if you can put it in your pantry room, you can put it in the cabinets. This is good. So this little guy is going to be resting, and hopefully it's ready. Alright, 2 days later, and here we have our ready to eat kimchi. Now I got my chopsticks, and the best part is that I can eat this as a snack as well.
Really good. I can eat the whole of the rest of the kimchi.
Did you like it? Did you say something for me?